Hello everyone, I am Wale Akemi and I'm here to ignite the fire within you. I believe that every person has the potential to be great in life, and I am passionate about guiding individuals on their journey to success. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more powerful success strategies. Our topic today is sleep programming for wealth. Sleep programming for wealth. Your mind is most powerful when it is relaxed, and there is no better time to influence your subconscious than during sleep. What you consistently think about before bed shapes your financial reality. By using sleep affirmations, nighttime visualization, and subconscious techniques, you can reprogram your mind for wealth while you sleep. So in this video, you will learn number one, the power of sleep affirmations and how to use them. Number two, nighttime visualization techniques to attract financial success. Number three, how to use subconscious sleep techniques for wealth creation. By the end of this video, you will know how to train your mind for financial success while you sleep. So let's look at the power of sleep affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated consistently, shape your beliefs. At night, when your mind is calm and receptive, affirmations go straight into your subconscious and begin to rewire your thought. The reason why sleep affirmation work: number one, your subconscious is most active at night. The last thoughts before sleep sink deep into your subconscious, influencing your belief. Number two, repetition. Number two, repetition creates new thought patterns. When you affirm wealth every night, your mind accepts it as truth and attracts opportunities. Number three, the mind accepts what you tell it. If you constantly say money flows to me easily, your subconscious will work to make it true. How can we use sleep affirmation for wealth? Number one, step one, choose powerful wealth affirmations. Repeat statements like, I am financially abundant. Wealth flows to me effortlessly. Opportunities for wealth surround me. Step two, say them before sleep. Speak them out aloud or listen to a recording of yourself saying them. Step 3. Feel the emotion behind the words. Don't just say them, believe them and feel them as true. So I want you to choose 3 word affirmations and repeat them every night for the next 30 days. So let's consider nighttime visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful tool that allows you to see, to feel your success before it happens. By using nighttime visualization, you send clear signals to your subconscious to manifest financial success. This nighttime visualization works because, number one, your brain processes images while you sleep. Your subconscious works with pictures and emotions to create your reality. Seeing yourself as wealthy before bed influences your financial future. Number two, the mind cannot distinguish between real and imagined experiences. If you repeatedly imagine yourself living in financial abundance, your mind will believe it is real. So this helps attract opportunities, ideas, and actions that lead to wealth. How can you use nighttime visualization? Step 1. Create a clear wealth vision. Close your eyes and imagine yourself financially successful. Picture yourself receiving money, living in abundance, and enjoying financial freedom. Step 2. Engage all your senses. What do you see? A luxurious home? A successful business? What do you hear? Applause for your success, the sound of money coming in. What do you feel? Joy, excitement, gratitude. Step 3. Hold the image as you fall asleep. Let the vision be the last thing on your mind before sleep. The subconscious will continue working on it while you rest. I want you to spend 5 minutes visualizing wealth before sleep for the next 7 days. So let's consider how to use subconscious sleep techniques for wealth. The subconscious mind is like a powerful computer that runs 95% of your life. You can program it for wealth by using these subconscious sleep techniques. So let's consider how to use subconscious sleep techniques for wealth. See, the subconscious mind is like a powerful computer that runs 95% of your life. You can program it for wealth by using these subconscious sleep techniques. 1. Listen to wealth affirmations while sleeping. Play audio recordings of wealth affirmations as you sleep. Your subconscious will absorb the messages and make them reality. 2. Use a morning sleep script. Before bed, write or say a short script like, I am financially free. Money flows to me in unlimited ways. My mind is open to wealth opportunities. This directs your subconscious towards financial success. Number 3. Keep a prospective journal by your bed. Write down money goals and gratitude before sleeping. Example, I am grateful for the wealth flowing into my life. This sets a positive wealth mindset overnight. Number 4. Use the scripting technique. Write a story as if your dream financial life has already happened. Example, I wake up in my dream house, check my bank account, and see millions. I feel grateful and excited for financial freedom. Your subconscious takes this as reality and begin attracting it. Number 5. Express gratitude before sleep. Gratitude shifts your focus to abundance instead of lack. Say, I am thankful for all the money coming into my life. Sleep your way to wealth. Sleep affirmation reprogram your mind for financial success. Nighttime visualization creates a powerful wealth mindset. Subconscious sleep techniques help attract money effortlessly. You can take the following step on the final note. Start using one sleep technique from this video tonight. Stay consistent for at least 21 days to see results. Believe that your subconscious is working for your financial success. You don't just dream of wealth, you program your mind to create it. Join me on this incredible journey of growth, inspiration, and transformation. Together we will create a fortune filled with purpose, impact, and success. Today I will be introducing you to Red Planet Mathematic class, where knowledge meets wealth and dreams becomes reality. If you are ready to break free from limitations, to unlock your full potential, and to create a life of abundance, then welcome to Red Planet Mathematic class. Mathematics Success class is not just another program, it's a game changer, a life rescue package designed to correct the wrongs of society and liberate you from poverty, ignorance, and stagnation. This is your golden ticket to mastering success, wealth creation, and spiritual alignment through a proven structural system that blends ancient wisdom, modern strategies, and divine principles. Why should you join another planet mathematics class? Because success is not a mystery, it's not luck, but a formula. At Mathematics, we have decoded this formula into 3 powerful, life-transforming courses. Number 1, Success Mathematics, where you master the proven success principles that the world's top achievers use to build wealth, influence, and lasting impact. Number 2, Monematics, where you discover the science and art of wealth creation, learning the financial secrets of legendary millionaires and billionaires. Number 3, Spiritmatics, where we unleash the divine power within you to manifest supernatural breakthroughs, abundance, and purpose-driven success. Every stage in mathematics earns you a certification, but even more importantly, it earns you wealth, wisdom, and influence. No more struggling with self-doubt, fear of financial lack. No more wishing for success. It's time to create it. No more being stuck in life. It's time to rise and thrive. When you join us today, you are not just learning, you are earning. Our unique system allows you to grow in ranks, earn massive income, and achieve financial freedom while gaining life-changing knowledge. Your breakthrough is waiting. Click the link below to sign up for our free 30-day mathematics success accelerator. Your success is in your hand. Take action. Create the life you deserve now.